Finding serenity in the comfort of home, where relaxation meets luxury. O diba? Yan lang naman ang mala European vibes na akalain mong matatagpuan lang sa Pampanga. Tara, deserve mo din ito. Instagrammable place, close to nature, at very accessible to the city. Ano pa ba ang hanapin mo? Perfect na perfect ang place na ito sa staycation plans nyo, ang Puricos Cabin Resort. Wait, there's more. What if glamping experience at the camper van with your loved ones? Samahan mo pa ng nakaka-relax na jacuzzi pool feels. O diba, sobrang unique na memory moments ito? At syempre, ang lahat ng yan ay very affordable lang. Tara, let's go!